Hey everyone, I'm Steph from Sitemate. Site diaries are essential project records, and if they're not well documented, this can lead to disputes and over or underpayment of contractors. Dashpivot is a no-code information management system that digitizes your processes and replaces paper forms and spreadsheets. In this video, I'm going to show you how our platform can help improve your site diary records. In Dashpivot, you can create a site diary entirely from scratch, or you can choose from our free public template library, which has many ready-to-use templates available. As we're looking at the site diary, I'm going to run a search in the top bar here. You can preview the format before adding it into your workspace, and remember, everything here is fully customizable once you add it into your account. Our standard site diary template includes fields such as location and weather conditions, which are in multiple choice lists, the option to add in progress photos for that particular day, general comments or any activities, and then table breakdowns for things like labour, plant and materials, detailing the number of workers, start and finish times, the option to add in cost codes, and then at the bottom we have a daily totals summary table, which is calculating the various sums across the different tables of information. And then once saved, whether the form is complete or you'll need to go back in and make adjustments later on, the diaries will be sorted by the date of the shift that has been entered onto this form, as we can see here. Should you need to find and export site diary records, this can be done in the register view. Here you'll be able to use the filters at the top of the columns to find relevant forms and then further export the data in PDF or CSV format using the checkboxes on the left hand side to then download the appropriate format. To ensure that important and unique information is captured and not duplicated between form creation, fields can be excluded from form cloning in the template editor. These options can be found in the top left-hand side corner of each field that you add into the template. Formulas can also be implemented in the template editor to automate calculations, display various values, and lots more. You can also create references between these tables within the template to add in a summary table if required, like the one we have here in the site diary. The list module on the platform can be used as a database with various different properties, such as expiration dates, where you can choose to be notified when a set date is fast approaching. These lists can also be used as drop-down lists or multiple choice lists from within your templates. For example, on this site diary form, we can use the list of employee names that we just saw a moment ago in the template itself. Information captured can even be further analysed using our analytics function, which is available at the team folder and home folder level. Photos are essential for site diaries to stay up to date with project progress. These can be found in the Photos tab within your team folder. Photo tags can be created and applied for easy filtering when looking for specific images. GPS locations can also be captured when photos are taken through the Dashpivot app. Site diaries can be created and submitted using our Dashpivot mobile app. The site diary forms are organised in a timeline, just like on the web access. You can continue working on a form, or you can create a new one using the plus button in the bottom right hand side. Photos can be taken directly on the app, or you can choose to upload an image from your mobile device gallery. Once the photos have been taken or uploaded, they can also be marked up to highlight certain aspects of the image. If you have created photo tags, they can also be applied during this step for easy searching later on. Once completed, if you need to share a copy of this form with external parties and you don't have a computer available to export it, you can simply click Send it as PDF, and this will send it directly to the email that you add through the app. The mobile and tablet Dashpivot app works offline and is available on both iOS and Android devices, making this process even more accessible for all personnel involved. Dashpivot can be used for many other use cases, and data can be synced to external tools such as Excel, Power BI, Xero, etc., using our integration product FlowSite. With this, you can seamlessly transfer your site diary data from Dashpivot to your preferred data analytics or other tools. For example, some customers are using their integration to push out their site diary data from Dashpivot into Excel for further advanced analytics, just like we see here on the screen, eliminating the manual data transfer step. Try Dashpivot for site diaries today using our sign up link and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.